Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea. In my today's video, I'll be showing you how you can find memories on Facebook. But before proceeding with our today's lesson, give a thumbs up to this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new. Now without further delay, let's start with our today's video. Log into your Facebook from any browser and on your topmost right hand side, go to the menu icon, scroll down and under personal you'll find memories. Over here you can find your old photos or videos that you may have uploaded a year or two ago. Unfortunately, I don't have any memories, but you may have. You also have settings for the memories. You'll find separate notification. You can choose whether you want to be notified about all memories or only about highlights, or if you don't want to be notified about any memories, you also have an option for that. You can also hide people by typing out their name over here. You can also hide dates. You can change the date range that you want the memories to be hidden off, and that's how you'll be able to visit your memories on Facebook. I hope my video was helpful. Let us know about your thoughts and queries by commenting below. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to learn more. Hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new.